I know. This one ain't meant for the video. So, this how we cook right there. Nigga, show my face right there now. Look, nigga, this how we cook. Now, point to that thing. That's how we cook. Back to me.
Show me,
keeping it real.
This is how we do this shit, man. You know what I mean?
That's how we
Jack
pop.
fucking motherfucking Daniels, nigga. You niggas can cop this shit. You Facebook niggas, I knew you on your fucking free SMSs getting yourself on lock, man. You know how we do. You know I'm pour this shit.
Nigga, don't piss a nigga off for not pouring out Jack Daniels. Nigga, pass me the Jamerson right there.
I got your celery on lock.
Guess a nigga Nudie J. Nigga, you sleeping right there, nigga Nudie J?
You're winning right here, dog.
Nah, nigga, guess it.
I'm hitting these niggas.
Yeah, I
pass in Liverpool.
Yeah,
you know, these niggas are literally bowling, and I mean bowling.
Listen. Now we gonna go cop more of ice cubes. Our ice cubes that got dropped out. The motherfuckers is like finishing shit. So we gonna get more of our shit just to handle our boss. You know what I mean? Keeping it real, dog. Back to Nudie. Yo, Nudie, what you saying?
I'm busy hitting his niggas with Liverpool badly.
Nigga, leave the PS. Jamerson right there. Jamerson.
The bitches think it's empty. The bitches think it's empty.
It's sealed. It's sealed.
Wait. It's mechanically sealed.
It's sealed.
I'm trying to
open that shit, nigga.
Motherfucker, that shit is sealed.
Did you see that?
Keeping it real.
Get
right
your money right, nigga.
Yeah. You get like 4 grand of salary each month or 5 grand of salary. Then you go for that motherfucker like 5 times.
I bring your paycheck
Understand what I mean?
one night, nigga. That's how we do it, nigga.
Yeah, that's how we ball right here. That's how we ball right there.
Ghetto fabulous.
Ghetto fabulous. You know what I mean? Keeping it real. This is nigga Noise hooking up with a bottle of Jamerson. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, dog. Yeah, hook it up. Hook it up. No, that's my nigga Michael right there. My nigga Michael. Yeah, right there.
You know, we got to ball.
Yeah.
Ball till I fall.
Yeah.
Stand up, baby.
Yeah.
This is the life we dreamt of, bitch, niggas.
You know, I'ma do a little Kevin Root on you. I used to dream about the life I'm living now. Oh, yo, fuck you now.
Yeah, right.
I made it.
Hey, Jamerson, Jack Daniels, Tupac in the best picture. Don't hate. That's Tupac right there. That's Tupac. That's my nigga Nudie J hooking up on PSP. That's an Xbox. Nah, nigga, yeah, keeping it real.
I'm trying to kill these niggas in Liverpool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Plus, it's a 42-inch. Just looks small on my screen, on my small screen.
Let me zoom in for you to see how big that motherfucker is. Real big, huh? I told you, real big. Look at that.
5-0.
That's yours. Oh no, nigga, you
Liverpool
kicking
is gangster, dog.
5-0, yeah.
5-0, dog.
Look. And this nigga ain't even bothering to touch the PSP. Cause that nigga got an Xbox in front of him. He's kicking all that shit down. Look at that.
And if you're wondering how he's winning, he's got a glass of Jack too. Behind!
Bowling with Jack! Bowling with it! Bitch right there! Bowling with it! Nigga, guess what you guys say?
Now I gotta say it's real talk, man. I keep it real, nigga. I just drink real drinks, nigga. I drink, nigga. You gotta spend your salary to drink what I'm drinking right now. You know what I mean? Easy. I know you know FB niggas ain't got the type of drinks that we drink. You niggas be
Nigga
sipping.
said FB niggas.
Yeah, you niggas be sipping on Selacas over me.
Correction.
Yeah.
FB gay niggas. Cause you're
niggas, you ain't got shit.
If you're watching this clip,
you thought you're real, motherfucker, you gay.
Yeah, if you're watching this clip, I just cheated on you. That's what it is.
Why was the meat?
The meat.
Nigga, the meat is still popping the microwave. Let me put another minute on that motherfucker.
Time expired.
Hold on.
Go time expired. So fuck up. We're signing up, bitch.
No, we ain't signing up yet. The meat still gotta cook, right? Another 2 minutes. Look at that. That's a microwave. You press them buttons, then you press start. Then you show the meat. Then you ask them how good does it taste. Tell them, dog.
It's finger licking good, behind.
Thank you. That's Kentucky Fried Chicken in a microwave. That's how we bought in Namibia, motherfucker. Keeping it real.
Stunners, niggas, don't hate. Hate my salary.
Yeah, hate the basic salary, dog. Hate it. Don't blame me. Blame the salary.
Niggas. Here's some motivational speech. It all takes hard work to get to where I am right now. So work hard and bitch. You might start drinking Jack. So stop slipping around on FB and start fucking doing some work. Spend the whole day your ass on FB. So fuck your niggas. Get up from that seat right now. What you still doing there? Fuck. You still watching at me? Nigga.
You a broke nigga, huh? My nigga's playing game, Yeah.
Keeping it real, dog.
Yeah.
Liverpool in the house.
Now niggas handling the joystick right there. You can see that my nigga cash flow. That's Wisma to the back. That's a poster. Or 7 pounds. I'm crunk. Get crunk. Oh no. Crank, I mean high voltage. Don't get confused. But I'm still getting crunk anyway. I'm drunk as a motherfucker.
We don't wanna two-step. I mean We don't wanna two-step. I mean maybe I'll be ballin'
all night long. You broke.
What the fuck am I, nigga? I'm so disrespectful. So disrespectful. I get so disrespectful.
My glass is empty.
Okay, then fuck your sister.
Take it with your shit.
And
kill yourself.
Matter of fact, get and bang yourself.
Okay, niggas.
I'm a big dick.
Everybody
But it's the case. I'm never home, man. My accent changed. You better watch who you fuck with, mate. Now spring. You will never be my equal. You always shoot people.
Yeah, right there.
Never gonna be. When you sell me,
I'm so disrespectful.
I'm so disrespectful.
I'm so disrespectful.
So disrespectful.
I'm so disrespectful.
So disrespectful.
See?
I'm so disrespectful. So disrespectful.
Off the TV.
Damn, you gonna jump
No
and
DG.
not
The
the
PG.
and easy.
Like GZ and he CDs we sell like CDs. Man, cause the world will trip like Weezy.
Oh.
Nigga, please believe me. No motherfucker you see me.
It's crazy how I make this shit look out so
Easy.
They say 50 now don't fuck with him, he out so
Breezy.
Cameras are up on you.
out so
Breezy.
It's funny how they
Listen to what, huh?
him and need me.
Civilian number one. I know my gun. What? You pussy niggas run.
Better run, nigga.
I'm so disrespectful.
So disrespectful.
See?
I'm so disrespectful.
Got your bitch in my crib, it's so disrespectful.
I'm so disrespectful.
Cash flow, get some
So disrespectful.
right
See?
there.
We get so disrespectful. So disrespectful.
See?
Thank us the marriage.
Your baby carriage.
Fuck him is scary.
She didn't have nada.
Nothing.
She didn't
Fuck
have
all.
nada. Nada.
You're blowing on
One
Prada.
shit. One shit. What? Dad
Fuck
is my
you,
dad,
bitch.
And I don't even know him. How the
I
fuck
don't know
him.
him.